World arena, the trend for economic development and technological change is constant. In order to stay abreast of the competition, companies have to continually evolve and invest in new high technology practices and equipment. Many progressive companies have also developed alliances with international suppliers where they can source and utilize the most modern technological advances in their chosen fields. The packaging industry has equally had to develop, and companies such as CCP through their associates company and created the packaging machine brand CCP. The combination of these two great entities has completed the perfect integrated packaging machine supply company. This strategic alliance gave the company access to more than 30 years of technology from one of Japan's leading industry manufacturers. Main components are also now sourced from great companies such as Mitsubishi, Orient and Omron. Manufacture, installation and also provide